August 24 is now officially Kobe Bryant Day in Orange County, California. On Tuesday, the Orange County Board of Supervisors voted to honor the late Lakers legend and the measure passed with flying colors. Kobe Bryant and his family lived in Orange County for most of his 20-year career with the LA Lakers and after he retired. Kobe Bryant's numbers on his jerseys were 8 and 24 during his basketball career. Therefore, they're making that day to celebrate his legacy. 8 and 24 will represent August 24. Kobe Bryant was well known around the Orange County and was seen several times playing the role of Good Samaritan when he spotted car accidents. That is why when the accident happened last January 26, the officials wanted to make sure to honor his legacy. Kobe Bryant number 8 and number 24 jerseys were both retired by the Lakers, and he is the only player in franchise history to have two numbers hanging in the rafters. The Orange County Board of Supervisors recognizes August 24 as Kobe Bryant Day and encourage members of our community to continue Kobe Bryant's legacy by engaging in community building, helping young people in need, encouraging aspiring youth to follow their dreams, and living by Bryant's words. The most important thing is to try and inspire people so that they can be great in whatever they want to do.